got some motherfucking design on right now.
Hi everyone, my name is Francis Nathaniel Alabata and I'm from grade 12 STEM Copper. This quite emphasizes an holistic view of education. It suggests that the true education is not merely about acquiring new knowledge in a specific field, pursuing a certain course of study, but rather about the comprehensive development of an individual across their entire lifespan. Whole period in essential existence, these developments encompasses three key aspects. The three aspects that mentioned is physical, mental, and also spiritual. What implies that a truly educated person is one who is not only intellectual capable but also physically healthy and spiritually fulfilled. Achieving a hormones balance between these three dimensions. And our three dimension is physical, mental, and study. That's the three dimension. As what I say, there is an key aspect. I mean, another three aspect. The integrated development is one is physical, mental, and spiritual growth. And the second key aspect is lifelong learning, education beyond formal schooling. And third is holiness, fostering while rooting individual. Also, they have one possible author. The possible author is they have four author. First is Maria Montessori. Second is Rudolf Steiner. Third is John Dewey. Fourth is Mahatma Gandhi. So that's thank you.